Hello and welcome to the Almost Homestead. Guess what? We are almost ready to start the Organizing Overwhelm Challenge that Gardening Warrior and I are doing in February. Yay! I'm super excited. So if you missed it in the last video where I talked about this, basically the challenge is we are going to pick something in our life to organize and document it on our channels. So there's different ways you can do this. You can do a video as you organize that area. You can do a video or pictures before and after and do it that way. I will probably be doing the video of before and after because one of my projects is really big. It needs to be done, but it's not like something that you're gonna do in like 30 minutes. The other one, however, probably could be done in 30 minutes. I'm doing 2 areas of my home for this. So this challenge is going to be throughout the month of February. So it'll start February 1st and on February 29th, because it is a leap year this year. And you will use, to participate, any videos that you do, you'll put in the hashtag Organizing Overwhelm. So without further ado, let me show you the 2 areas of my house that I'm going to do. So this is the first area. This is my utility closet, and it is a freaking disaster. And I can't ever find what I need when I need it. And the second one that I'm going to do is the craft room. Oh my gosh, everything is everywhere. I had things organized initially. They are no longer in their systems. Everything is everywhere. So let's take a little closer look at what we've got. Over here we have a bunch of wooden things that I grabbed from basically a junk shop. We've got fabric and yarn, fabric. We've got wrapping paper, used wrapping paper that I use for some different projects, beads and stuff, ornaments I plan to redecorate, miscellaneous clothes that need to be repurposed. And then over here we have some of the jewelry supplies, jewelry making supplies, magazines that we need to deal with in one way or another, a random package of screws, no idea what's up with that. And last but not least, in a separate area, we have this giant tote of doom, which has all kinds of jewelry making supplies. Oh, and the box of buttons. It's smaller than the box of jewelry supplies, but still big. So those are the 2 areas of my house that are the most overwhelming to me right now. And I really want to get those done so that when I have a need for a craft supply, I can just go downstairs and find what I need. Right now, that is not the case. Anything that I want to do with a craft takes forever to prepare because I have to find the supplies. And they're in all that mess. So that really stinks, but it's gonna feel so good when it's done. So I'm super excited to see what kind of projects you all choose and what kind of overwhelm you are going to reduce when you try this challenge. So just pick a project for now, and then, as I said, put the hashtag on any videos you post about this, and then go check out other videos with this hashtag so that we can become kind of like a supportive community and all love on each other and encourage each other and support each other. I think I'm gonna ask Gardening Warrior and see if either of us can somehow make like a playlist of different channels that are participating in their videos. So that would be cool. I don't entirely know how Gardening Warrior does that. Also, make sure you go and you visit Gardening Warrior, because she will have videos on her channel as well, talking about the challenge, and she's already put some up showing what she is going to be working on this month at her house. So, as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and eat something wild. But not anything in my craft room, because ew, it's gross.